Welcome to the Art of Photography. My name is Michelle Harrell and I'm coordinator of teen and college programs at the North Carolina Museum of Art. This course is one in a series of courses created through a grant-funded collaboration between North Carolina Virtual Public Schools and the North Carolina Museum of Art. Have you been to your state art museum? It's so much more than paintings hanging on the walls in the galleries. We're standing along one of the paths within our museum park, which is the largest museum park in the country. Just as we're at the beginning of this path, you're at the beginning of your journey in this course. And we invite you to come to the museum, visit, take photographs of nature and some of the interesting angles of the contemporary sculptures in the park. We also invite you to come back and participate in some of the programming we've designed specifically for this course. Field trips, competitions, and our spring teen art event called Art Scene, where we'll design things for all of the courses within this collaboration. Welcome. This is your museum.